Okay, that's the way they take it up.
Yeah, just carrying them up manually.
No, it's hard.
It's hard.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
For the ladder, yes.
And this right here, they can put a couple of them on there.
Okay, but this thing, the groove they put up is it's not gonna be seen. We can see it. Only them they can see it because they are on
No,
the
yeah,
top.
the shingles are going to cover that. You're not going to see it.
Oh, they're gonna
start. You see how it made your trim stick out more? How nice it looks like that, and then the shingles are going to come out overhanging on it.
Oh, okay.
Yep, so you're still going to have the 1-inch overhang on the sides there.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
So that's the one you are saying that is
The ridge vent. Yep, I can show you.
Yeah, that's.
Yep. What I was saying.
That was the ridge.
Yeah. But this is the ridge vent right here. So this bends just like this, and then those shingles that they got right there, the ones that say Pro Edge, those are the cap shingles that go on top of here to cover it. Yep.
But this, so the air flows here.
Through here, yep. And then it has these that holds it above the roof, and it alleviates any type of debris or anything getting inside the roof.
Oh, so they already put it up somewhere.
No, yeah, these are going to go up here in a second, but this goes on the end.
Oh,
so after you do all the shingles, and when you get to the top, that's when that goes on.
Oh, I was thinking they're going in, you know, where it makes a V like this on the top.
Yeah, so when it makes an A.
Yeah, exactly. That's where it's going.
Yep, so right on here,
this
and
one,
all the way, that one too, yeah.
This one too will have, and then there.
That's correct.
Okay, all right.
Yes, sir.
I got it.
Yes, sir.
And these are the desk one you were saying?
Yeah, oh yeah. That's
Yeah, that was like,
mile-an-hour wind rating.
Yeah.
You got that limited lifetime warranty, and you got the platinum warranty, you got 130 mile-an-hour wind resistance, and then you got 25 years guaranteed, no staining, no streaking.
Oh, okay.
But for you, you're not going to have an issue. People who deal with the streaking are people who have a lot of trees over their house.
Yeah,
and so when you get leaves on the roof, it turns into soil, and then it makes stains on the roof.
Yeah.
So, but you're not going to have that issue.
Okay, that's good.
Absolutely. They changed the wrapper too.
Yeah, okay,
yeah. They don't have the pre-vent.
So this one is for the vents.
That's going to be for the pipes.
Pipes,
the white pipes that come out the back.
Yes.
So you see on this house right here, the tree that they got on that house, that's going to be the new collars for there.
Oh yeah, this one going the pipe from here.
That's correct.
Okay, I got it.
It goes right through there, and depending on what size the pipe is, we'll cut this edge out. So it goes all the way up to a 3-inch, a 2-inch, and then here's a 1-inch.
Oh, okay, all right, yeah. It depends on the pipe.
Depends on the pipe. So when they're up there, they'll make that decision and they'll make that cut for it. And then, of course, it still has a nice, snug, tight fit to make sure it's watertight.
Watertight, yes.
Yes,
Okay.
Yep.
So, this one is what was inside. Okay,
yep. It's a couple extra pieces. It wasn't a full box that they needed, so they just grabbed a couple.
With protection.
Yep, but they come 4-foot sections.
Oh, wow, this one here, that's
synthetic underlayment.
Oh, that's the one they put. Okay, all right, okay.
That's the shinier one. Yes, sir. And then let me see if it's got a spot This is drip edge right here.
Oh, for the water, this
Yep,
one.
so this is what's going on the edge all the way around, on the sides, as well as the front for the gutter. Make sure the water gets in, and you see how it has another kick out?
Yeah.
So then when the water comes here, it drips, and if it does run around, it has another notch so that it makes it drip away.
Oh, okay, so this one
This
goes
goes
to the
all
edges.
the way. This is around the whole entire edge of the house. Yep.
Okay.
That's around the whole edge of the house. I want to see if you had a piece of ice on water. Let me see
Yeah.
Here's a little piece there.
Yeah, these are the stuff they put. So these shingles they were saying is for like 25 years.
The ice and water is. That's how it looks. It's very similar. You see how it feels like the shingles do?
Yeah.
But this is what protects the house from getting any water penetration.
Water inside, okay.
It's when the snow melts, it runs down to the front and it hangs out the gutter, and then you end up with that big slushy area there, and that's where it tries to soak through at.
Okay, all right. So that was
I'm
the
not
shingles.
sure why this is in here.
Oh, that's different from that
That's
one
the
you
older
saw
one.
me.
Yep, that's the older
But
one.
this was having it. So, okay, it was already having it here too.
Yeah, but it only had it on a portion.
Oh, on a
on
portion, not the whole thing.
It only had it on that little part that comes out like that. It didn't have it on the whole top
on the
part.
V stuff
Yep,
here.
this little V part right here at the
Oh,
top.
okay.
Yep.
They didn't have the whole thing.
Correct. So when I had given you the upgrade,
Mm-hmm.
I gave you the difference for what they didn't put on there because they already had a little bit on there, but they didn't have the full amount.
Oh, okay. I was thinking they didn't even have
Yeah.
stuff like this there, but I didn't notice they have it.
I'm just trying to figure out this waste issues here. Why are we crossing material?
They're throwing it.
Yeah, this is
So this one is the same as yours.
the ice and water.
This one is the same.
So here's the ice and water that we're using right there.
Oh, this is one
That's
is
how
yours.
wide it is, 3 feet wide. Rolls out and then you peel that off and it's got that heat
Oh, you
backing.
peel it. Okay, yeah, stick it
So if
on
you were
it.
to feel the other side that's already peeled, you can feel how sticky it is.
Yeah,
Well, this
little
kind
bit.
ain't got sticky. They had it all,
Oh,
up there.
yeah, they
But
peel
feel
it.
that part and touch it, it's sticky.
So this one was there already, but they had to replace it.
Correct.
Was
we
it
don't
bad?
use any. No.
Oh, you have to.
You have to,
take-
you can't
take
use anything. We
that-
don't.
okay,
Yeah, I mean,
alright.
some people try to reuse stuff, and that's the way you end up with a system failing prematurely.
Oh, okay, all right.
Yep.
And this was there.
Those are cap shingles. Those are just extras that fell out that bucket I just took out.
Oh, okay,
Yeah, I'm
all
grabbing
right.
stuff, wondering why they're tossing this stuff away. These buckets are $90.
Oh, yeah,
That's
yeah, yeah.
$90 in nails right there. So
Maybe
yeah,
it was
believe me, we're gonna have a
extra.
nice little conversation.
No, maybe it
I'm
was
not
extra.
worried about a little bit like that, but
Yeah,
but
it's
I
useful.
don't like wasting material.
Yes.
The landfill's already filled with enough trash. We don't need to throw stuff that could be used for another project.
For yes.
Yep. So
Okay, that's good, man.
let me know if you got any questions. I'm gonna head out of here. I got that
know,
other inspection.
I know, because you have other place to go.
Yeah, I
you
got
can
that
go
other
ahead,
appointment.
man.
But like I said, I'll touch base with you here in a little. I want to come back around here anyway and
so-
come talk to some of your neighbors and see what's going on.
Okay.
See if I can help some of them out as well.
Sure.
Because I know there's quite a few of them that's got a lot of
Well,
missing shingles. in
yeah,
there,
you
so.
can talk to them. It's a quiet neighborhood.
I know
we
it
don't.
is. I know
So,
it is.
but your business.
They know
so
who
you
Mr.
know,
Kai is,
yes.
though. He's the second house here on the whole entire block. So
They all meet me here, you know.
that's right.
Yeah, they all meet me here.
But yeah, if you got any
but-
questions, man, give me a call. Like I said, I'll give you a buzz
yeah,
here in a
let me
little
know.
while.
Hold you up. Go ahead,
Absolutely,
man. I'm
absolutely.
here, you know.
Sounds good. I'll give you a call here in a little while.
Let's just check this side. Oh, okay, they are up. All right, take care, Mr. Ver. It's cool. Oh, they go up. Let me just check. Oh, it's cold, man. Let me just outside. This is cold, man. Mincy. Yeah, he was outside talking. Okay, they're walking now.
Let me see. Let me see.
Let me see.